Weezy Review collectors or toy collectors, it's unboxing time. Yes, another unboxing video from eBay.com. Now let me get a knife. Cut this open and see what's inside. Just take the tape. Yeah. It's okay, I got it. There we go. Just let me set that down. Let's open this up and see what we got. Let's see. Oh, got it. Sorry. I wonder what this is. Oh, sick. Yep, you guessed it. I got DC Superheroes Batman. This is awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you rate, favorite, comment, and subscribe. And I'll check you guys in the next video. Peace.